Well, good Wednesday afternoon. This is Rich, and the markets had a mixed close here today. The corn and wheat markets continue to hold fairly firm. The soybean market did give up a little bit here today. Maybe ideas of rains here over the weekend in South America coming up. Had a little bit of selling back in the bean market, but it's been a nice run in soybeans here lately. We did have the new chart on November beans in yesterday's outlook, and did show that they've had a nice little climb back from recent bottoms. The other thing we've got in today's outlook is a chart on November soybeans versus December corn. That price ratio now up over 2.1 to 1, and kind of climbing right now. And I think that's mainly due to talk of increased corn acreage this year, decreased soybean acres, and so we're starting to see that soybean spread or soybean price gain on corn. I would anticipate that that could even continue to move out closer to maybe 2.25 to 1 or 2.3 to 1 as we work towards March, especially if weather is conducive to early corn planting. Here tonight at the close, we did have March corn up 4.25 cents at 634.5. December corn up a half cent at 563. March soybeans down 6.5 at 1213.5. November soybeans up 3/4 cent at 1213 3/4. December cotton up 0.28 at 94.69. November rice down 0.5, very slow trade at 1528.50. July wheat Chicago up a nickel at 671.25. Kansas City July wheat up a dime at 714.25, and Minneapolis Dece wheat up 6 cents at 776 3/4. The dollar was firm early in the day, up 3 to 4 tenths. Ended up trading almost a half a point lower here at the close, and that had some of the other markets turn around. Crude oil up 90 cents at 99.84. Gold up $47 here at 1712, and the Dow up 62 points at the close at 12,688. Also, word that Fed Chairman Bernanke made comments basically saying that interest rates would stay unchanged at least through late 2014. That was seen positive here for stocks, and so we continue to see the Dow make a new high here on this move. So. Don't know much else. We'll get a weekly export sales report tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. and we'll have those numbers for you later in the day. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.